Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. We have a Westpak angle valve here. It's brass. I already loosened the end, but what we're going to show you today is how to change out the pin and spring and ball. If it's sticking or leaking, you may have to replace it because sometimes the O-rings go bad and they leak or they stick. So this is how you do it. You take off the end cap. I already loosened it with a wrench. But you'll see on the cap there's an O-ring. And then there's a spring, which is usually inside the cap. And there's a stainless steel ball. And then inside there's a pin, or the needle. And there's a little, I guess you can call it a gasket, or a little piece of plastic there. So we're going to pull this out. You see here we've got the pin. There's a double O-ring on there. There's a little washer, and then the piece of plastic. So it is tapered, so when you put it back together, when you have your new kit, first thing you want to do is put in your pin, grease this up a little bit, stick that inside the valve, push it down, then put your steel washer inside, and then the piece of plastic, it's flat on one side and it has a little ridge on the other. You want to put the flat side down, kind of seated in there. You'll feel it kind of pop into place, and then you'll put the stainless steel ball back in, and then that'll center in the hole there, and then the spring and the cap. Whoop. And tighten it up, and then of course we'll finish here. And it just goes snug, you don't want to strip the threads. So that's it.